Myself Dr. M.B. Bogde, Department of Botany, Mahatma Phule Kala Vanijya, Sitaramji Chowk Science Mahavidyalaya, Gurud. Today we have discussed about the types of flower. Friends, flowers comes in many shape, size and colors, and all of them have all of the structure as mentioned in the earlier discussion. So friends, plant may produce flower that have perfect or imperfect. Means flower is perfect or imperfect. Then what is meant by perfect flower and what is meant by imperfect flower? Friends, the flower with male and female parts, both the parts are present in a flower, is called as perfect flower. And the flower that missing any one of the part, it may be a male flowers or female flowers, is called as imperfect flowers. Look at the picture here on the online platform, the parts of the flowers. Then plants may have flowers that are complete or incomplete. Above is perfect flower or imperfect flower. Here is the complete or incomplete flowers. So, if the flower have the sepal, petals, then pistils and the stamens, four parts. The sepal, green part of the plant's petals, the colored parts, then the female part pistil and the male part stamens. All the parts are present, then this flower is called as complete flower. And on the other hand, if the flowers is missing any one of those parts, that is, it may be missing sepal, it may be missing petals, or it may be missing the pistil, then this flower is called as incomplete flower. So imperfect flowers are always incomplete, but the incomplete flower may or may not be perfect. Another one is plants may are classified as monoecious or dioecious plants. Friends, monoecious means plants have male and female flowers on one plant. Both male and female flowers on one plant, then it is called as monoecious. For example, corn, cucumber आहे. Then dioecious plants. The plants have male and female flowers on separate plants. Both the plants are separate. On one plant there is a male flowers, on another plants there is a female flowers on separate, then it is called as dioecious. For example, soybean and other beans side. Then another one is a good way to tell the difference between the monocots and the dicots. So here is monocot flowers have the flowered parts in multiple of 3. That is multiple of 3. 3 sepals, and then 6 petals like this. And dioecious have the flowers with the flower part in multiple of 5, that is pentamerous. And monoecious the flower is tetramerous, and here trimerous, and in dicots the flower is pentamerous in multiple of 5. So these are the types of flowers.